Alright, so hello guys and welcome to this fifth lesson of our course Learning Web Development. So actually guys, today we are going to learn how to insert images and work with them. So guys, we are going to learn how to insert images in bar graph, how to insert images and figures, and what's the difference between inserting images in a bar graph and inserting images and figures. Then guys, we are before all that guys, we are going to learn different types of images and what they do. So guys, like in the last two lessons, I wrote everything I will say in paper for I don't forget anything. So guys, let's talk firstly about the images type. So we've got the JPEG type, the PNG, and the GIF. So guys, here I've actually prepared some images of all types for you guys. So here they are, they're here guys actually. So this is a GIF image guys. It's gonna be actually a live image. It will be moving, so it's some kind of video. No, it doesn't work here guys because actually this is the Windows viewer, but when I will open it in Google Chrome guys, it will work. So let's just see. You see guys, it's moving actually. So this is a GIF image, and guys, we've got here a .jpg image, which is a JPEG image, and we've got also the JPEG image, which is .jpg. So guys, actually the JPEG image is two types. So it can be its format can be JPG or JPEG. So guys, they are actually the same thing, but there's some differences between these types. So guys, let's firstly talk about the GIF. So the GIF is actually guys for the animated images, which they have to be moving just like this, as the JPEG is for actually high quality images, normal images, like when you write on Google Images. So let's search, and here they are. So all these photos guys are JPEG photos. All these photos are JPEG, and there's also the PNG images. So let's just the PNG images are for graphics. Actually, I can look for iPhone PNG. So guys, you will see what I will get. I will actually get that guys. So this is a high definition PNG iPhone, and then let's suppose that I want to put my website in an iPhone. So let's go here and let me go to my website. Let me just take a pic of my website. So I'm going to open ZoneGeek, and I'm going to take a screenshot of my website, of course in the size of a phone. So let me just get that thing out and let me just make it look smaller. So guys, this is it. So let's say that this is the size of a phone guys. This is my website, so this is the menu and this is the search. So guys, let me just take a pic and I will show you something we can do with PNG guys. So this is it. Let me take a rectangular snip, and then I'm going to picture from here to here guys. So then let me just save this and in my desktop, just here, and I'm going to actually guys, I am going to edit this image. Go to paint, and I will actually let me first take that and go to edit. I'm going to select it guys. I'm going to select it all, make a copy and close that because I won't need it anymore, and open this iPhone, go to edit, and I'm going to paste it. So then guys, I'm going to just go back in Zoom. Actually, now guys, let me just paste it one more time. I'm going to move it. So then guys, I will oh no. Let me paste it one more time. It's a little bit hard on Paint guys because I used to do these things using Photoshop, but I don't have it now, so I have to do it using Paint. And then let me just save it guys. Let me save it in the same folder that I saved the other images and iPhone, edited iPhone.png, and let me just save it. Yes, will be lost because Paint doesn't keep transparency. And then let me open it, guys, and you see it's like I've been opening my website in the iPhone, guys. So you see it's actually so great. So this is actually a graphic. So guys, actually in PNG there are two types. There's the PNG 8 bits and the PNG 24 bits. So actually the 8 bits is for a graphic which have 256 colors, and the 24 bits for a graphic which has 60 millions of colors. So guys, you actually don't have to select the PNG type because the system will do it by itself. So guys, now let's go to code, and let's go and start coding, guys. So let's open Sublime Text and open a new file, guys, new HTML file to learn images. So this is our tab, and let's open a new file, and let's go and save it as site images, and let's go and save it as images.html. So, and let's create our normal HTML structure. So for the title, guys, I'm going to put insert images. Sorry. And I'm going to put meta corset equals UTF-8. I'm going to close it. Then guys, let me just go and open and close body tags, and now I'm going to save that. Then guys, so we are going to work with this picture, which is called actually 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.jpg, which is a JPEG picture. So guys, we are now going to see how to insert a picture. So guys, actually you have to put image img, which tells the HTML code that I'm going to insert an image, and the src is the name of the image. So guys, we have here to put the name of the image. For me, I've got these images, so which are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.jpg. So guys, when you're coding HTML, don't you even forget to put the image type, and then you have to put alt, which is a small paragraph of the picture. So so this is a DAC actually. This is a DAC, and let me just close that, save, and let me go and launch this file on the navigator. So guys, you see this the alt is not visible, guys, but here's how to make it visible. You just put it in on the picture. Art, hold on, guys. It should be visible. No, wait, I think there's something wrong. Just wait a second, guys. No, I'm sure it's just like that. Let me just see here. Yes. Well, actually, I used to insert pictures without the alt because I don't really need it, but we need to just insert that. And let's go and reload the page. Then there should be a visible description of the image. Just it's not actually visible now, but it should be visible, guys. Anyway, so we won't be going, but we should really insert the alt, guys, tag. So this is for inserting an image, guys. So actually it's so basic and it's so easy, guys, so you have to learn it. Then guys, we are going to learn how to we are going to see how to insert an image in a paragraph. So guys, let's create a p and write anything. So we are going to insert an image in the paragraph, and let me just close the p, guys, and here I am going to put actually a BR tag, so this tag allows me to go back to line without doing big stuff. And then just inside the P I am going to put image src equals 987654321, which is an image I just downloaded now, .jpeg, and I'm going to put an alt. This is another image, and let me just close the alt, close the tag, and say hit save, and let me go reload the page. Here is the paragraph, guys. You see, that's what I wrote, and that's the image, guys. It's actually so big, the image, so I'm going to add I'm going to switch its size to something smaller, guys. Pixels. Wow, it's let me just put 500 to 500, guys, and let me save it. Then, guys, let me go to navigate, reload the page. You see, so this is our paragraph, this is the picture, guys. So then let's just learn how to add other images. So it's actually, guys, but the same way, you only have to change. So let me add another paragraph. This is a PNG image, and let me just close the P tag, and here I am going to put a BR tag. Then I'm going to put image src equals iPhone, I think iPhone, just like that. Yes, here edited iPhone.png, and so edited iPhone.png, guys, and I'm going to close that. Just put it like this and go reload my page. Here's my iPhone, guys. You see, it's a high quality iPhone. So actually I'm going to put a style and the HTML code to control the image, actually. So and here I'm going to put style equals no, let me just not put style for you guys, because it's gonna look a little bit harder for you. So then, guys, we are going to see figures. So let me just go to another new file and save it as figures.html. So, guys, before we learn figures, I just wanted to tell you when we use image in a paragraph and when we use image to a figure. So if actually, guys, the image is for the beauty of the website, is for the look of the website, so you have just to put it in a paragraph and it won't it's gonna be cool. But if the image, guys, should should let users know about something, so you have to put it in a figure. And let me just show you what's the difference between P and figures. So let me just do it in here, and let me just do the website structure, then put HTML, close HTML, open the heat tag, and close the heat tag, open the body tag, and close the body tag. And here, let me just, in the heat, let me put a title and call it figures, and put title, and let me put meetup course equals, or actually we don't need it now, guys. I'm just going to write with English, using English. So in the body, I'm going to write a paragraph or an H1 for it to be so visible. Here are some figures. Let me close the H1, and I'm going to use this image for figures, so it actually can tell users something. So I'm going to open firstly a figure tag, and I'm going to close the figure tag. Then, guys, inside the figure, I'm going to put the image link. So like we learned, image src equals earth dot gif, and for the alt, I'm going to tap this is the earth, this is the planet earth, and I'm going to close the tag. Then in here I'm going to put fig caption. So actually the fig caption is the legend of the picture, so I'm going to put fig caption, and inside I'm going to put like this is the look of the planet from the space, and I'm going to close the fig caption tag. Then I will save it and go here and open this file. So just open this file and you will see, guys, so this is our h1, this is our picture, and this is our actually the legend of the picture, guys. So now actually we are going to use Windows Notepad to create a website which contains figures and images. So actually this notepad allows you to create a website, allows you to code HTML. So actually any notepad, guys, allows you to code. So let's go and start our code. So .html, and let me open the HTML tag, then let me close the HTML tag, and here, guys, you should use the tab button to make this little space. Then let me use the heat tag and close right here, close the heat tag, and let me just close open the body tag and close the body tag. Then in the heat I'm going to put a title which will be Windows a website created using Windows Notepad, and I'm going to close the title tag. For the P, I'm going to add an H1, which will these are some pictures in paragraphs and figures. So I'm going to close the H1, and here I'm going to put a P, which will this is an image contained in a paragraph, and let me just put a BR and close the P tag. Then I will add the image, so which is image src, and let's just add the iPhone. So edited iPhone.png, and let me just put the alt. This is zone geek on iPhone, and let me just close the tag. Then, guys, I am going to add another figure, so I'm going to add a figure here, and going to close the figure tag. So actually, you know what, guys, I hate creating websites using this notepad. Yes, it's so I'm going to put image src, and then I will add the earth dot gif, and I will actually do the same thing. So in the subline text, so this is the planet Earth, and I'm going to close the tag. Then I'm going to put fig caption, and I will put this is how the planet Earth looks like from the outer space. And let me close the fig caption tag. Let me just hit save. I will save it in the desktop, just like test.html, and let me go to my desktop, guys, start the file. Here it is, and oh yeah, guys, I forget. Let me just put this in my website folder. Go, and which one is it? Table 10. this is it, and just put it in images. And then guys, let me open it, and here are my iPhone. Here is my iPhone, and this is how it works. Why doesn't work? Told you guys I hate working with that. Oh, I forget. It doesn't work. Are you sure? It's not saved. Why is it not saying? Should I close it? I don't know, maybe. Doesn't work. Let me just open it using Notepad. And let me just look for Notepad here, guys. More apps. Here it is. Okay. Right, let's hope it will work now. Here it is, it worked, guys. So this is actually the figure, and this is the image contained in a paragraph. Now there's only one thing to learn, which is to a link, an image which take us to a link. So guys, now see, let's close that, guys. We don't need it anymore, and let's go to Sublime Text, open a new file, and save it as linked image .html. And let me just create our normal HTML structure, guys. This is the third time today. And I'll just create the heat tag and close the heat tag. And here let me just put a title, which is linked images, and let me close the title tag. This time we are not going to put meta corset, so a body, and close the body tag. Then here I'm going to put an image, so image src equals 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 dot jpg. Let's hope it's the true image, and alt equals anything, and let me close the tag. Then let me just let's see our file, linked image. So this is actually our image. Yes, it's true. I'm so lucky today, guys. It has good. There's comment on Facebook. So let's now go and make another version of this image, which is a smaller version. So let me just let's make it 500 to 500, and let me just save it as small dot GPG. And then guys, let me show you what I'm going to do. So let's imagine that you want to put a small image in your website. Then you want the user, when he clicks on the image, he should go to the big image page. So actually guys, I don't really advise you to do that in a website, because you will lose visitors of your website. At least it should be opened in a new tab. So I will just do it like that. So just inside, let the image inside the href tag. So href equals to the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 dot GPG, and just close the A tag here, close the A tag, and let's see what's going on. So now it will be opened in this tab, but I will, guys, put it to be opened in a new tab. So target equals blank, and let me save, reload the page, and you see guys, it's opened in a blank tab. So guys, actually I think this is all for today, and you can let me just do it for you in a figure. So actually let me open a figure tag. And the figure I'm going to put image source equals small dot jpg and alt. I want to put anything 987. Yes, not so good, guys. No, I'm just kidding. So and let me just add a link which will take me to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 dot jpg. Oh guys, yes, and let me close the a tag, and I'm going to its target to new tab target equal. Just save it and we'll get the same picture 2 times, guys. So that's a figure, and let me just put a fig caption for you guys. And in this fig caption I'm going to put oh look at these ducks. Close the fig caption tag and just save it. We go reload the page, go here, and this is the legend, guys. So actually, guys, this is all for today's lesson. Just like yesterday, the next lesson will be uploaded today, so I think that you like it. And now, guys, you know how to insert images, so just stay tuned because the next lesson will be in our next part of learning HTML and CSS. So I think that you like this video. If you don't understand anything, just leave a comment and I will answer you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Goodbye.